Did you know two fake cops pulled off the biggest art heist in history and the stolen masterpieces are still missing? On March 18, 1990, at exactly 1:24 in the morning, two men in police uniforms approached the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston. They told the night guards there was a disturbance call and needed to investigate. The guards, following protocol, let them inside. Big mistake. Within minutes, both guards were handcuffed and dragged to the basement, tied up, and left helpless. For the next 81 minutes, these thieves calmly walked through the galleries with crude knives, cutting priceless paintings right out of their frames. They stole 13 pieces worth $500 million, including works by Vermeer and Rembrandt. Then they vanished into the night. Today, more than 30 years later, the empty frames still hang on the museum walls like ghosts. The FBI offers $10 million for information, but every lead goes nowhere. The greatest art heist remains completely unsolved.